Have you ever been lying in bed, trying to fall asleep, when a random question just pops into your head? Like, why don't we feel the Earth spinning? It's a great question, and the answer is more fascinating than you might think. We all learn in school that our planet is a giant sphere, spinning on its axis like a top. This spin is what gives us day and night. At the equator, the Earth is moving at a mind-boggling speed of over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's about 465 meters every single second. With numbers that high, you'd expect to feel something, right? You get dizzy on a carousel at the fair, and that's moving way slower. So, are the scientists hiding something? Is the Earth actually standing still? Well, no. The truth is actually pretty simple, and we can understand it with a common analogy: an airplane. When you're on a flight, you know the plane is soaring through the sky at hundreds of kilometers per hour. But once you're cruising at a steady altitude, what do you feel? Pretty much nothing. You can get up, walk to the restroom, have a drink, or chat with your neighbor, all as if you were sitting in your living room. You're completely at rest inside that plane. This happens because you, the air inside the cabin, and everything else in the plane are all moving together at the same constant speed. In physics, this is called a frame of reference. Relative to the plane, you're not moving at all. The only times you actually feel the motion are during takeoff and landing. Why? Because that's when the plane is accelerating or decelerating. Our bodies are great at detecting changes in speed, but we're terrible at sensing constant velocity. When the plane speeds up for takeoff, you get pushed back into your seat. When it slows down for landing, you feel a forward lurch. That's acceleration and deceleration in action. It is the same reason you retold to wear a seatbelt, to keep you from being thrown around during these changes in speed. Now, let's apply this back to our planet. The Earth is spinning at a remarkably steady and constant speed. There's no sudden speeding up or slowing down. Everything on the planet the buildings, the oceans, and even the atmosphere, is all moving together at that same 465 meters per second. Because we're all moving in unison with the Earth, relative to the Earth, we are stationary. We are part of the Earth's frame of reference. If the Earth were to suddenly stop spinning, you'd feel it. It would be a catastrophe of epic proportions. Everything not bolted down would fly eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. It would be the end of, everything. But luckily for us, the Earth's rotation is incredibly stable. This all ties back to a fundamental law of physics, Newton's second law. You might remember it from school: force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. Your body is the mass in this equation. Since the Earth's rotation is constant, its acceleration is essentially zero. So, if acceleration is zero, the force acting on your body from the spin is also zero. No force, no feeling of motion. You are, for all intents and purposes, at rest. Now, for those of you who love the nitty-gritty details, I have to be completely honest. The Earth's rotation isn't perfectly constant. There is a very, very slight deceleration happening all the time. The culprit: our own moon. The moon's gravitational pull creates tides, and the friction from these tides is slowly breaking the Earth's spin. This effect is incredibly tiny, but it's measurable. It's causing our days to get longer by about 0.02 of a second every century. So, if we could travel back in time, say 350 million years ago, a day on Earth would have been only 23 hours long because the planet was spinning faster. This means there is a tiny negative acceleration acting on you right now. But this deceleration is so minuscule, so gradual, that our bodies simply cannot detect it. It's like watching grass grow. It's happening, but you're not going to notice it from one moment to the next. So, the next time you're lying awake at night, you can rest easy. We don't feel the Earth spin because we're all on this incredible ride together, moving at a constant speed through space. We're all passengers on Spaceship Earth, cruising along so smoothly that we don't even notice the journey. It's a beautiful example of physics in action, happening all around us, all the time. Thanks for watching and letting your curiosity run wild with me. If you enjoyed this journey into physics, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more answers to the universe's biggest questions. See you in the next one.